Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today we are going to start question 8 raised to the power m plus 27 raised to the power m divided by 12 raised to the power m plus 18 raised to the power m, which is equal to 7 divided by 6, and we have to find the value of m here. So let's start. Here we have 8. We can write 8 as 2 raised to the power 3 and its whole power is m, plus, and we can write 27 as 3 raised to the power 3 and its whole power m, divided by 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 and its whole power m, plus 18 can be written as 2 into 3 square and its whole power m, and which is equal to 7 divided by 6. So we know that if a raised to the power m whole power n, we can write it as a raised to the power mn, and also we can write it as a raised to the power n whole power m. So 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power m can be written as 2 raised to the power m whole power is 3 plus 3 raised to the power m whole power 3 divided by we can write it as 2 square into m and 3 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power m into 3 raised to the power 2 m. So again we will apply this exponential rule in denominator. So it will become 2 raised to the power m cube plus 3 raised to the power m cube divided by, it can be written as 2 raised to the power m square into 3m plus 2 raised to the power m into 3 raised to the power m square, which is equal to 7 divided by 6. Now let 2 raised to the power m and 3 raised to the power m as u and v respectively. So 2 raised to the power m is equal to u and 3 raised to the power m is equal to v. Now substitute u in the place of 2 raised to the power m and v in the place of 3 raised to the power m. So it will become u cube plus v cube divided by u square v plus uv square, which is equal to 7 divided by 6. As we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a minus b and a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So we will apply this formula here. So it will become u plus v, u square minus uv plus v square divided by, in denominator we have common u and v, so it will become u and it will become v, which is equal to 7 divided by 6. So u plus v and u plus v will be cancelled out. Now we have remaining u square minus uv plus v square divided by uv, which is equal to 7 divided by 6. Now we will do its cross multiplication. So it will become 6 into u square minus uv plus v square, and from here it will become 7uv. Now 6u square minus 6uv plus 6v square, which is equal to 7uv. Now 6u square minus 6uv, and this will become minus 7uv plus 6v square, which is equal to 0. 6u square minus into minus plus, 7 into 6, 7 and 6 will be 13uv plus 6v square, which is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by v square, so it will become 6u square divided by v square minus 13 u divided by v plus 6, which is equal to 0. Here dividing v square on both sides. Okay, so we can write it as 6 u divided by v square, because we know that if a raised to the power n divided by b raised to the power n, then it will be equal to a divided by b whole power n. So it can be written as u divided by v plus 6, which is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic form, so we will apply here quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here we have a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 13, and c is also equal to 6. So u divided by v is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. u divided by v is equal to minus into minus 13 plus b squares means negative 13 square minus 4 a and c divided by 2. A is again 6. U divided by v is equal to plus 13 plus into minus square root of 13 square is 169 minus 4 into 6 24, 24 into 6 144 divided by 2, 6 times 12. So it will be equal to u divided by v, which is equal to 13 plus minus square root of 25. 169 minus 144 will be equal to 25 divided by 12. So u divided by v is equal to 13 plus minus square root of 5 means 5 divided by 12. So it is u divided by v is equal to 13 plus 5 divided by 12, and u divided by v is equal to 13 minus 5 divided by 12. So u divided by v is equal to 13 plus 5 will be equal to 18. 18 divided by 12, and from here u divided by v is equal to 8 divided by 12, to 9 times 18, to 6 times 12, and 3 times 9, 2 times 6, 4 2 times 8, and 4 3 times 12. So from here we have u divided by v is equal to 3 divided by 2, and from here we get u divided by v is equal to 2 divided by 3. So, but u is equal to 2 raised to the power m and v is equal to 3 raised to the power m. So putting the values here, it will become 2 raised to the power m over 3 raised to the power m, which is equal to 3 divided by 2, and it is 2 raised to the power m divided by 3 raised to the power m, which is equal to 2 divided by 3. So we can write it as 2 divided by 3 whole power m according to exponential rule. It has no power, so it means it has a power 1. So we can write it as 2 divided by 3 raised to the power negative 1. Now bases are same here, and we will write it as 2 divided by 3 whole power m, which is equal to 2 divided by 3. Here no power, so it means power 1. So from here bases are same, we will compare its powers. So from here m is equal to minus 1, and from here we get m is equal to 1. So we have two values of m, which are negative 1 and positive 1. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.